Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Saharul Azhar and I will be presenting about introduction. First of all, what is ceramic? Ceramic is inorganic material consisting of non-metallic compounds that are made permanent through a firing process and may contain some organic content. Ceramic also made from unprocessed clay and blends of refined clay or and powder or granulated non-plastic material are referred to as traditional ceramics. High temperatures are typically used during the manufacturing of ceramics. The resulting materials are typically refractory or heat resistant. This is an example of characteristic of ceramics, which is heat resistant, high resistant, extended service life, chemical inertness, electrical resistant, and lastly wear resistant. Alright, the second one is what is ceramic tiles? Ceramic tiles is a thin slab made of a combination of quartz, quartzite, sand, and clay. They also are expensive, affordable, simple to install, clean and maintain, and resistant to fire, abrasive chemical, dampness, and dirt. Third, they are a popular option in homes, restaurant businesses, and shops since they also provide improved durability, strength, and dependability. Because of its technical qualities as well as their aesthetic appeal, ceramic tiles have traditionally been employed as a wall cladding or flooring materials. Earthenware tiles with high porosity 10 to 18% water absorption are used for wall cladding. Stoneware tiles, have a low porosity body 3% water absorption, are typically utilized for flooring. A new class of porcelain tiles with very low porosity, 0.5% water absorption, has been added to the ISO 13006 standard, which establishes classification criteria for ceramic tiles. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Felicity Mariana Anak Jumat. I'm going to talk about the improvement of ceramic fabrication process towards tile industry. The ceramic tiles industry is an important part of the global economy which is applied as flooring, wall coverings, and decorative purpose. These new advancements have helped consumers in the tile industry to have access to higher quality tiles. The importance of this improvement is to reduce production costs, to reduce production times, to reduce production waste, and to increase in production capacity. The process of manufacturing ceramic tiles is complex and involved in several steps. There are four steps, which is the first one is extractions and preparations of raw material. The second one is shaping and forming of the tile. The third one is glazing and firing. And lastly, final inspections and packaging.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirul Naim bin Zahari. Today I would like to present about literature review. Ceramic tiles have been utilized as artistic component both inside and outside of buildings of all types, including private residence, public structure, and house of worship for age. Greek and Romans both employed ornament tile. Their increased use was related to the growth of Islam. Finally, they gained acceptance in Europe through the Middle Age. Ceramic tiles adhesive (CTA) and ceramic tiles are two remarkable products that have changed the direction of construction history. Without CTA, ceramic tiles could not give the beauty and toughness that buildings require when employed as a covering for both interior and external finishing. Glazed and unglazed tiles are two primary forms of tiles building. Two layers are visible when you look at glazed tile from the side. Here, present and future trend. The Spanish manufacturing industry of ceramic tile is one of the most dynamic and innovative of Spain and in the global ceramic sector. Currently, this sector is making significant effort to consolidate the ceramic product among possible. The other type is called ceramic ware, and it involves in production of ceramic utensils such as cup, plate, tray, tiles, pipe, and others. The raw material used to form tiles consists of clay mineral mined from the earth's crust, natural minerals such as feldspar that are used to lower the firing temperature, and chemical additives required for the shaping process. The mineral are often refined beneficent near the mine before shipment to the ceramic plant. The raw material must be pulverized and classified according particle size.
Good morning and hi, my name is Benicera Pidang Petrus. My metric number is CD10246. Today I'm going to present a comparison of improvement in ceramic fabrication process towards tiles industry. Comparison of temperature and duration. When minerals and mineral combination are run into a powder population of particles of different sizes or vertical size distribution and decrease. When the behavior of the powder in the ceramic process, the relative sizes of these population can be measured using various types of temperature and duration. Comparison on method. Depending on the sort of ceramic facade system we consider, all of these methods, which are dry related powders, spray dryer, and forming, which are making opening and controlling the forces by acting on the openings, are employed in a variety of combinations that can help in the water absorption. Comparison of energy consumption. The quantity of thermal or electric energy utilized at each phase determines how the energy balance is connected. Each sort of energy is also related with the resources needed to produce it as well as the environmental effects of its production and waste management. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and good morning. My name is Venicera Pedang Petrus. My metric number is CD19026. Today I'm going to present the advantages and disadvantages of ceramic tiles. The first advantages of ceramic tile is water resistant. Because of this characteristic, glass ceramic tiles are perfect for damp areas like bedroom and kitchen. The second advantage is durability. The tiles can last up to 20 years or even longer with a competent installation provided they are properly maintained. The third advantage is easy maintenance. It is simple to clean stain and stain, dirt or liquid that are on it will sit on top and not be absorbed. And the last advantage is no allergy concerns. Because of their hard surface, ceramic tiles are impermeable, resisting water and moisture, which make them less prone to bacteria and mold growth. The first disadvantages of ceramic tile is hard surfaces. Unlike resilient floors, this material cannot be softened with padded underlayments, thus it might not be a good option for everyone. The second disadvantage is cold surfaces. Your feet will experience a shock if this is installed in the home when you first step on frigid flooring in the morning. And the third disadvantage is heavy in weight. If you decide to put ceramic flooring on the second or third level, we advise having a licensed specialist inspect the structure stability to ensure that you are not adding to its stress. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ridodi bin Muwattani and I will be presenting the result and discussion on our topic. So, for analysis. From this research analysis, we'll discuss on when the improvement will create a better outcome for the ceramic fabrication process of tile industry. The analysis that will be discussed is on the market value of ceramic tile industry that can be improved, which is to meet the rising customer demand. Leading manufacturers in the industry are introducing a variety of elaborate and contemporary patterns in ceramic tile design. Okay, next is the significant contribution. So from this research that we can see from the literature reviews from our other journals, there are significant contributions that we can see which affects the improvement in ceramic fabrication process toward the industries. This significant contribution goes way ahead of what can be achieved in the future, such as in order to reduce environmental consequences and act which better regard for better regard for the environment. Research has also been done. Studies of novel ceramic product compositions with the addition of waste product by the own sector, such as eco-tiles, as well as known as new renewable energy sources, have been conducted in this area, which is the photovoltaic ceramic. Okay, next. The limitation on the discussion is this review is anticipated to be helpful for the ceramic industries in identifying the steps, materials, and processes with significant environmental impact and finding solutions that are favorable to the environment. Future studies, according to the authors, should assess and benchmark the environmental effects of ceramic tile supply chains from facilities of various sizes located in various locations. Next is the gaps. So from research that we can review on the gaps, that we will discuss as an example from the environmental impact on the Italian ceramic tile production. So the gaps that can be explained is that in this study, the environmental effect of the manufacture of Italian ceramic tiles has been studied and addressed. Okay, and lastly, the future directions and challenges. Statistical process control, SPC, is now used by the majority of tile manufacturers during every stage of production to make sure that criteria are met before the material is used. Many also maintain tight communication with their raw material supplies, particle size, milling time, drying temperature and time, compact pressure, dimensions of the pressing, density, firing temperature and duration, and other processing parameters are monitored using charts and statistical process control. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Sahrul Azhar, and I will presenting about the conclusion. In conclusion, there are many ways to make an improvement in ceramic fabrication process to tile industry discussed in this study. There are some advantages and disadvantages that can be detected in every kind of improvement. The main effect that can be seen in ceramic tiles production is towards environment. Long-term sustainability, and durability of ceramic tiles support the idea of environmental preservation. The findings support the significance of energy consumption reduction in reducing the impact of ceramic tile production on the environment. And lastly, it will operate as a guide for lessening the industry's negative environmental effects, particularly its emission of greenhouse gases. That's all from me. Thank you.